If you want to excel in maths and science, then do click on the link given in our description box and visit on the website of Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya, and do enroll on our Don't Memorize course, which you can avail up to 90% discount. Here you can enhance your maths and science skills with the help of our conceptual videos, flashcards for quick revision, mock test as per latest pattern of your exams, with 24/7 doubt clearance sessions with the facility of masterclass. To get extra 10% discount in addition, you can use our coupon code, that is NT10. So for more details, check out the link given in our description box. Hello everyone, so in this video we will be talking about fibers and their burning test. So our first topic will be that how we can identify fibers. Then we will show that how burning test can help us in identifying these fibers. So how will you identify fibers? So the answer for this question, that we can use the burning test technique to get to know which type of fiber is it with the help of its smell. So whenever after burning a yarn, if you get the smell like burning of hair, then the result of that could be a wool or a silk. And according to our second case, if we burn a yarn and you get a smell of burning paper, then the yarn could be a cotton or a rayon. And according to our third point, if the yarn melts in the flame, remember this, if the yarn melts in the flame, then it can be your synthetic fibers such as your nylon and acrylic. So these are the basic burning test results you can get, and after getting its result you can know that which type of fiber it can be. Now let's know more about nylon. It is a type of synthetic fiber, remember this. So nylon is basically prepared from a mixture of your coal, water and air, and nylon is a polymer that is made up of chemical units that are known as polymers, and these polymers are made up with monomers, hexamethylene diamine and adipic acids. Then the solid chips of these polymers are melted and they are forced through a heated spinneret which has very tiny holes within it. Then after it, the size and shape of these holes changes, and the characteristic of resulting fiber will get solidifies as it cools and can be spun or woven then after it. So there are many products that you are using that are made up of nylon. Here are some examples of them: brushes, ropes, fishing nets, tents, saris, stockings, shocks, car seat belts, sleeping bags, curtains, etc. All these products are mainly, or you can see, all these materials are made up of nylon, and nylon is our synthetic fiber. So let me tell you some more points about nylon. Nylon is strong, it is elastic and light in weight. So the clothes that are made up of nylon are lustrous and they are very easy to wash. That's why it is very popular, as there is an advantage. So the other part of it, that it also have some disadvantages. It does not absorb water, but it catches fire very easily. So remember this, that you should not wear nylon cloths while cooking, welding, working near a fire. So let's move ahead to our second topic, that is rayon. So friends, as we know that natural silk that we obtain from silkworms are the fabrics that are mainly very costly in the market, and sometimes it is not even accessible to us, and the production and maintenance of this silk is really very difficult and time taking process. So that's why rayon here is used as an alternate of silk, and its texture is also very fascinating, by which everyone gets attracted towards it. So the source of this rayon is mainly wood or bamboo pulp. So the question here arises, as this is our synthetic fiber, so how we get this from wood and bamboo pulp, as wood and bamboo pulp are related to our nature. So there is a chemical that we get from this bamboo pulp known as cellulose, which mainly helps us in preparing these fibers. That's why its source is wood or bamboo pulp written here. But remember, the chemical behind it is the cellulose. And it is mainly prepared as: first, sodium hydroxide is added, then carbon This sulfide is added to the cellulose. Then this cellulose dissolves in these chemicals and gives us a syrup form that is known as viscose. Then this viscose is mainly forced through a spinneret into a solution of dilute sulfuric acid. Then after all this process, we get a silk-like threads that is known as our rayon. So there are many advantages you will see in rayon, as rayon is mixed with cotton to make bed sheets. Then rayon is mixed with wool in making of carpets. Remember this, whenever there are two or more than two type of fabrics that are mixed together, then that process is known as blending. Then you can say that after the blending of rayon and cotton, we get these bed sheets. And whenever you will blend rayon with wool, then you can get to see the making of carpets. So this rayon is mainly used in fashion and home furnishing materials also. But there is a disadvantage that you got to see about rayon, that rayon is not a perfect fiber to prepare all fabrics. And the reason for this will be that it is made from firstly plant cellulose, by which it absorbs water easily, and absorbing water makes rayon weak. That causes the fiber to break easily. If we talk about mainly its costing, then rayon is much more cheaper than our natural silk, the first advantage, and it can be woven like silk fiber. That's why people are using as an alternative of silk. It can be dyed in a variety of colors. So I hope friends all the concepts of this video is clear to you. So see you all in our next video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.